So homework was more exact trig values. Remember, exact trig values have to come from the unit circle and our special right triangles. You should not be using your calculator at all to do this. Alright, but since we are going to be using our special right triangles, I will draw them. Make it a little bigger. So our first special right triangle is our 30, 60, 90. Okay, remember the hypotenuse is always 2, and then I'm left with 1 and square root of 3. Smallest side is across from the smallest angle. So 1 has to go across from 30. My other triangle, 45, 45, 90. Alright, remember the hypotenuse is always 2, and here my legs are both square root of 2. So for number 6, I have to do the tangent of 30. Tangent of 30, remember SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So I'm at 30, opposite over adjacent is 1 over the square root of 3, which we rationalize, which is going to give us radical 3 over 3. For number 7, I'm doing the cotangent of 30. So I'm going to take the reciprocal of what I just found. So the cotangent of 30, and you can use this to flip, but then you're going to have to rationalize that. So instead, use your original, your pre-rationalized. Because when you flip that, boom, square root of 3 over 1. Number 8, the cosine of 60. I'm in the same triangle, but now I'm at my 60-degree angle. Cosine is A over H, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, so cosine of 60 is 1/2. Number 11, cosecant of 60. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Alright, so maybe I should figure out the sine of 60. The sine of 60 is opposite over hypotenuse. That's going to give me the square root of 3 over 2. So that means that the cosecant of 60 is going to be equal to 2 over the square root of 3, which when we rationalize will give me 2 radical 3 over 3. 12, I want the tangent of 60. Tangent of 60, opposite over adjacent, that is going to give me the square root of 3. And let's see, what else did I have to do? That was 12. 13 asks for the cotangent of 60. Well, I just found out tangent, so I'll flip that 1 over the square root of 3, which we rationalize to give me radical 3 over 3. I'm going to erase these so I can still stay on this page. So copy them down if you need to. I had to do 16, which asks me for the sine of 45. So now I've moved into my other special right triangle. Sine opposite over hypotenuse, that is going to be the square root of 2 over 2. 17 is the cosecant of 45. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so I'm going to flip over, what I had for 16. So this is going to be 2 over the square root of 2, which I will rationalize to 2 radical 2 over 2. And then make sure you simplify. These 2's cancel, so I'm just left with square root of 2. And next we had to do number 20. Now 20 asks for the cosine of 180. 180 is not from a special right triangle, okay? But 180 is one of our quadrantals. Alright, if I'm on the unit circle, 180 means I'm right here at this point. Specifically, I'm at the point -1, 0. So the cosine of 180, cosines are my x values on the unit circle, so the cosine of 180 is just -1. It's the x value at 180 on my unit circle. 35, a little complicated, so we've got the sine of 90 plus the cosine of 0. Oops. plus the tangent of 45. So let's just do this piece by piece. Sine of 90, all right, 90, I'm back on my unit circle. I'm up here at the point 0, 1. Sines are my y values on the unit circle. So the sine of 90 is 1. Plus, oops, it's a horrible plus sign. The cosine of 0. 0 is on my unit circle right here, 0 degrees, and that is the point 1, 0. So the cosine of 0 is my x value right there, which is also 1. Plus, and then tangent of 45, I'm going to have to come back over here to my special right triangle. Tangent of 45, opposite over adjacent. You get the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. But that's just 1. So this, I get 1 plus 1 plus 1. The answer is 3. And then last but certainly not least, number 36. I'll erase these. Room. 36 has the cosine of 60 squared plus the sine of 60 squared. So if I look at my special right triangles, the cosine of 60, a over h, is going to give me 1/2. So this is 1/2 squared. And the sine of 60 is going to give me SOH. That's going to give me radical 3 over 2 squared, which I'm going to fit this in right here. 1/2 squared is 1/4. Square root of 3 squared is 3. 2 squared is 4. So this gives me 4 over 4, which is 1. Okay, pretty easy as long as you have memorized this triangle, and, of course, the unit circle. And that is it. We are done.